welcome to Daybreak. I'm your host, Jillian Jazuski, bringing you the latest in Disney parks and entertainment news first thing in the morning. Disney gave us the first look at the plans for Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary last Friday when they released concept art of all 4 park icons decked out in a new overlay. Each overlay will feature an iridescent purple theme, and which will be translated throughout the parks in merchandising, cast member uniforms, alongside new outfits for Mickey and Minnie. The iconic duo debuted their new look online and on Good Morning America, and they will begin sporting these new looks on October 1st, when the 50th anniversary officially kicks off its 18-month celebration. Disney filed working permits for all of the live entertainment venues in Hollywood studios, including the Hollywood Hills Amphitheater, which hosts Fantasmic. These work permits are similar to those filed to implement social distancing measures and protective barriers throughout the parks. Hopefully, this signals that live entertainment will return to the parks sooner than originally projected. Speaking of returning, the international Disney parks are slowly returning to regular operations. Hong Kong Disney reopened its doors and welcomed guests back on February 19th, after a secondary shutdown due to health and safety concerns and restrictions. Disneyland Paris also announced that it will reopen its gates on April 2nd. We can't wait to enjoy these parks once they officially reopen. Walt Disney Animation Studios will release Raya and the Last Dragon in theaters on March 5th, and for a short time, guests at Animal Kingdom can take part in the celebration by taking part in some unique experiences to coordinate with the release of the film. A brand new animation experience and sand sculpture are available for photos at Disney's Animal Kingdom, and a unique dessert featuring one of the new characters is now available at Dino Bites in Dinoland, USA. Another new offering available at Disney Springs is the Captain Sing-Along Brunch. The new interactive brunch at the Boathouse features a dueling piano pianists leading guests in a sing-along as they dine. Guests who wear a Boathouse shirt or a captain's hat will be treated to a free mimosa in order to make singing along a little bit easier. Sticking in Disney Springs, an exciting new collection was spotted this week. Native Shoes has partnered with Disney to bring a line of practical and stylish footwear for the entire family. These new kicks feature both Mickey and Minnie, and the entire collection is now available on Shop Disney. And it features men's, women's, and children's sizes, and they run from $44.99 to $54.99. Across the country in Anaheim, the new Star Wars Trading Post officially opened its doors on February 19th. The new Star Wars merchandise location brings Galaxy's Edge merchandise to downtown Disney, along with some fun movie tie-ins, including Rey's speeder from The Force Awakens. Guests can purchase a wide range of merchandise, including legacy lightsabers and exclusive clothing collections, along with Star Wars merchandise previously available in World of Disney. And wrapping up the broadcast with this day in Disney history, on this day in 1939, Walt Disney received a special honorary Academy Award for the film Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. The unique statue was presented by Shirley Temple and featured a regular-size Oscar along with 7 miniature versions of the iconic award. It would be the first time an animated film was considered for Academy Award, and the first film to receive Best Animated Picture would be Beauty and the Beast in 1992. Thank you for joining us today, and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.